Hi guys, how are you doing today? This is from Apple Expert. Today we're doing another video about MacBook Pro 13-inch 2010 A1278. Board number is 8202879. So basically the customer went to another store as the laptop was not working, and the store had it for weeks. Then the store gave it back to him. He told him it is not repairable, he doesn't know what's wrong with it. And the funny part is he gave it back to him without a hard drive. So then the customer brought it to our store here, and as soon as we opened it, the hard drive was missing, and we spot liquid on the logic board. Let's see under microscope. So as you can see here, let me adjust my camera here. So here is the liquid around the chips that connect to SMC. Here is the LED backlight, the backlight circuit. So there's corrosion, junk everywhere. So what we're going to do here, we're going to remove those chips, check for short to ground on those lines, and put a new chip, and let's see how things goes. Let's start. So we're going to add the plugs here. Let me set up my hot air. Yep. See the corrosion. Can you connect it to the charger, please? Can't. Make sure the fan is running good. You see those corrosion? This is bad corrosion. I mean, here at Apple Expert, this is one of the easiest repair we do. And other stores, they just tell the customer, oh, your laptop is not worth repair, and it is not repairable, it will fail again. That's not the truth. Everything is repairable here. If someone doesn't know how to fix something, it doesn't mean it's not repairable and you have to throw it to the garbage. So I'll just clean it with I'll clean the pads with alcohol. Can you pass me the alcohol? There's no alcohol, okay? Thank you. Before I put my solder, since it's too much corrosion here, I'll try to just file this. This is good. This is acceptable. This is good. See how the pads under those chips were black and corroded? So this is what we're trying to achieve. Bring them to healthy pads. Okay, let's thin them now. Where's my leaded solder? Now I'll clean them more to remove the mixture of the lead and lead solder free. Kind of clean for him, please. Now we made the board ready. Let's put the new chips. Thank you, sir. Resistor here. Another capacitor here. See this one. Capacitor here. Resistor here. resistor here. Capacitor here. Yeah, it is time consuming. Oh, we'll wait. Okay, so here, let's see what's left. Let me add some slots. Okay, done. That's good. Missing one here. Let me grab another donor board. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. This pad needs some treatment. I don't like leaving any corroded pad, even if it's this point corroded. My airflow a little bit down. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my power supply. Hopefully we get power. Now keep in mind, we don't know what's the history of this logic board. Someone already messed with it too much. Can you show us here, please, so the board is drawing no current or 0.11. That means a problem with the, I think this board is U7000. The ISL 6259, I think. It's called, yeah, the U7000. And it might be even a bigger problem beside the U7000. It might be SMC problem. So let's look at the U7000. Oh, I see some missing chips here. Who did knock off those? This not from liquid. Okay, so what I will do here, I'll remove the U7000 because as soon as I see knockoff components, I remove it, change it. It's just faster and easier for me than put back the knocked off components. Okay. Bro, we have some batteries to be done, and just like keep an eye on this data of everything. Okay, so let's solder another U7000. Those chips, I like to go over my solder iron after the hot air. Let's put back the missing components. So what we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 1. So let's start here. Oh. We have 1, 2, 3. So we go. One resistor here. I'll put the airflow a little bit down. One capacitor here. One capacitor here. Okay, nice and clean. Another one here. Last one here. Hey, come on, behave. Okay, so we change E7000. Let's go over the board looking for more corrosion. That's good. What is this? Dirt. Let's flip the board. This is my flux. This is, I think this is the leftover from the liquid sticker. SMC looks good. Okay, so let's inject power now. And can you spare me a fan for this model? So this model, you connect the charger, the laptop will not turn on unless you press the power button. So I'll use the onboard power button, pads I mean. There you are. So resuming one app. Fan spin. Can you show me the fan? So I'll shut it off because I have to clean it. We will do now ultrasonic cleaning. Take the logic board after ultrasonic cleaning under microscope. This is what we did. Good, 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 good. This is just insulation, not corrosion. Good, good. Again, insulation. Let's switch back to here. So those components, this resistor, capacitor, this guy, were knocked off. Those, they don't just come off from liquid or from dropping a laptop, and this is the interesting part. Those, I believe someone just took them off. Either he doesn't know what he's doing or by like on purpose. So anyway, so let's now test the logic board. Bring the laptop here, customer laptop here. I'll not install any heatsink. Just wanted to boot. I see Apple logo. Install one RAM. Connect the DC jack. we don't have the hard drive, as the other store, they give the customer back the laptop without a hard drive. So what I will do, speaker, I'll connect, even though I don't know why I'm connecting the DVD, but it's alright, the DVD drive. I'll connect the keyboard because I'm going to hit Option key as I don't have a hard drive, or I can simply get my hard drive. Do you have a hard drive handy? We use it just for testing. I decided to just use our hard drive. So I connect the battery. Hard drive, no hard drive, hard drive, no hard drive. Waiting for the hard drive. Waiting for the hard drive. I'll go get the hard drive. So I'm just connecting Apple Expert hard drive. Let's connect the charger. Let's do the battery. Where's my plug? Oh, green light. Green light, you see it? Green light on the charger, that's good. Oh, fan spin. Oh, backlight. Hard drive. I'll boot it from 1011. Yuppie. Happy MacBook. Came back from the dead. Live again by Apple Expert. It was going to go to the garbage. Poor MacBook. Boot, boot, boot. Okay, I'll shut it down. Battery is not charged because I don't have heatsink connected. I don't want to damage my CPU. So the logic board repaired. So here you are, guys. Here's another logic board. Was revived, and that laptop was brought to another store. They the store had it for a few weeks, and they told them it's not repairable. Then the customer brought the laptop to us. First we found that there was no hard drive in the laptop. Was not given by the other store. Then liquid damage, corrosion on the logic board, and some knocked off component. And as I showed you, it is fully working. So if you have, guys, any Mac product, logic board, problems, all kind of issues, Wi-Fi not booting, any issue, liquid damage, bring it here. We will fix it for sure for you. We also specialize in iPad and iPhone repairs and data recovery. Thank you for today.